Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Furaha Green, and in this video I have another haul for you. But before we get into the video, I am doing a giveaway. I have never done a giveaway on my channel for, I think I've been on YouTube for now about 3 years, and I haven't done a giveaway yet. But today I'm doing a giveaway. I got contacted by a company called JORD, and they specializes in wood watches. And when they contacted me and asked me if I was interested in collaborating with them, I said yes. I went onto their website and I looked at the watches that they had, because I have never worn a wood watch and I had never seen one. I'm just always wearing my simple little watch that I always have on, and I've worn that for about 3 maybe 4 years. But when I went onto their website, the wood watches that they have on their website are just so nice. I picked out this watch, and the watch that I'm wearing is in their Heidi series, and this is in walnut and black. Now it's a very nice watch, as you can see. It's very simple, and the fact that the wood that I picked actually goes really nice with my skin tone, so I love that. Also, another thing, before you enter this giveaway, let me just tell you the rules, okay? Before you enter this giveaway, 1, you have to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. That's it, you just have to subscribe. And 2, in the description bar down below, there is going to be a link onto the Wood Watches website. All you have to do is click onto that link, and that link is going to take you to a page. You just have to enter your name and your email address. Wood Watches are giving away $100, so they're giving away $100, plus if you use my code, which is Furaha Green, you also get an extra $25 off, and you get free fitting. You get free fitting for your watch. Also, what this company offers is they can write a message onto your watch. So if you're getting it for your boyfriend or for your mother or for your girlfriend, you can put a message on at the back of this watch. Now what I like about it is, as you can see, it tells you the time and the date. This contest ends on the 24th of June, so 2 weeks from today this contest will end. So make sure you go onto their website and you just put in that information, and you just have to wait. Someone from the Wood Watches company will reach out to you. They are going to pick the winner. They will reach out to you and they will tell you that you have won. If you are the winner, please do let me know in the description bar down below, or send me an email here, or send me a DM on my Instagram and let me know, so I could congratulate you. Now let's get into the video. I hope you have not left me yet. I hope you haven't clicked off this video, because I have these items to show you. So let me show you the first item that I got from Topshop. So when I went onto Topshop's website, I saw this mustard yellow jumpsuit. I don't know if you guys know yet, I don't think I've told you, I'm going on a holiday. I'll be off to Greece, and I just want to look really nice and subtle. So I went on to Topshop and I saw this jumpsuit, and the model was wearing it, and I thought this color would look so nice on me. I'm sort of like, I'm trying to break out of wearing black, whites and grey, like neutral colors. Summer's here, I want to wear a bit of color, you know. So I know like a mustard yellow looks nice on me, because I already have like a similar color. And okay, just look at this that's going on here. But I got this and I tried it on. Now the downfall, the color, amazing. The only thing is, 1, I can't really wear this with the bras, so you're gonna have to let your girls just hang. If you need help, get some tape and tape them. But it has a tie here. Now the thing is, at the back, I feel like this is made for someone that's not quite curvy. You just kind of have to be flat in all areas to pull this off. Really nice. So I wore it. I kind of like how the front looks, but I don't like how the back looks. I feel like it just makes my butt look very flat. And I know I don't have the biggest bum in this world, but I do have, you know, a little something that comes off. If that something is not showing, No. This was £45. Now this is also another thing about Topshop. They are quite pricey. I feel like I'm so used to Misguided and Pretty Little Things as prices that, you know, this £45 I kind of had to think twice. But that being said, I did go ahead and make these purchases because I know what kind of website I was shopping on. So I'm not really impressed. I was actually, if I did fall in love with it, I was gonna get it, and I was gonna get this made into a cigarette leg, so sort of made really slim on the bottom, but I'm not that crazy about it. Now let me show you another dress that I got. So another dress I picked up was this lovely dress. Now this dress has a nice v-neck, and this was £49 as well. I got this in a UK 8. Also another thing is, over the last month or so, I have gained about £6. I have gained £6, and here's me thinking I'm still nice and like really slim and trim. Listen, I had to hold my breath to get into this dress, okay? When I tried it on the night before, I had just ate and this zip did not even close all the way, and I thought, you know what, let me just try it on back in the morning, and I still had to struggle to put this on. I feel like if I get it in a 10, it would have been loose in this area because I'm short as well. It would have been short, it would have been quite long for me in the body, but I'm not so crazy about the color. I don't know what it is. I did see a girl wear it and I absolutely fell in love with it. She looked stunning when she had it on. So I thought, let me go for something different, because as you guys know, I do like my bodycon shaped dresses, but I thought, let me try something different. You know, it's summer, it's hot. The last thing I want to do is hold my tummy trying to look sexy when it's like 30-40 degrees in Greece. You know, at least I just want to be able to breathe properly, right? So, and the bottom, it has a little detail here, but as you have seen it on, I'm not that mad about it. I'm kind of actually, I don't know, I'm kind of upset about myself getting these items, because I thought, let me step out of my comfort zone and try different shapes on me and see if they'll work. And clearly I've kind of failed. I just kind of feel like I should have stuck to what I know I look good in. But let's move on to the next dress. The next dress I tried on was this one, and this is a very, very nice dress. This reminds me of a dress I tried on in French Connections, and this was about a year ago. I was going to take it to Italy as my birthday dress. If I do have a picture, I'm going to put it right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's quite similar in terms of this, and also the color is very, very similar. But when I saw this dress, I actually popped into Topshop, and this dress just caught my what? This dress caught my eye. This dress caught my eye, and it's very nice, very nice. Just look at the back, and also it has the slits at the front. Now, because I'm short again, this slit I think only stopped about to where my knee is, which is, that's not the part I want to show. I want to show the thigh. And also the zip, I mean, it did close, but I feel like, one, I can't wear a shaper underneath it because my shaper comes out quite high, so I can't wear a shaper underneath it because you'll be able to see it. You kind of have to go braless as well. Most of these, I think a few of these items you have to go braless that I've got, which is fine. I mean, my girls just hang fine. And also the material. Now this is another thing. Let's just check this material and see. It showed all the love handles that I had in my belly. It shows everything that I was just so disappointed. Let's see, let's have a look at the label here real quick. It says 100% polyester. Now I do have other polyesters, but they don't kind of embarrass me like this. So anyways, so this is a no-no. But if you're tall, if you're really tall, maybe like 5'7", I am 4'11". If you're about 5'7", 5'8", this would look so nice on you, okay? So good. It's the dress, I feel like in this case, maybe it's not the dress, it's me. You know, let me just take that blame on myself. So that was kind of a miss, which is also a bit like disappointing. And then another thing is I saw this jumpsuit. Okay, let me show it to you. Now I'm not gonna do this for all of these items, but let me just put a picture here of a model wearing this jumpsuit. She looked goals in this. When I tell you goals, I mean goals, okay? She looked good in it. I saw this, like that model in this jumpsuit sold it to me. So I saw her in this and I was like, yep, it's a done deal. Just look at this detail at the back. Do you see that cross there? And it sort of has this ring in it. I bet you can just move it around and you can have like all the a nice shape going on in your back. And it has a v-neck wide leg, which is fine. I would have got them shortened anyways, wide leg. The only thing is about this jumpsuit, again, I've got it in a size 8. I feel like all these dresses, I should have just got them in a size 10. One size up would have been absolutely fine. Again, tight, but the only thing is, again, it's long for me in the body. So for me to try it on for you guys to see it, I literally had to get a hairband and get this and just tie it with the hairband at the back and then try it on for you guys. Otherwise my you know, girls would have been on show. But this is very nice. I just feel like if I get it in a size 10, I'm gonna have major problems in the top area, like major problems, and I'll need major alterations on it, and I don't know if I want that. I'd rather buy something that's gonna fit. So let's move on to the next item that I've got. So the next item was this lovely jumpsuit. I thought, let me try this. I've never tried a jumpsuit with this kind of a design before. I thought this could be a nice summer jumpsuit. You can wear it and just go out with your girls, you know, socialize. No. So when I tried this on, one, it was tight, but I knew that because I had already tried on the other ones. This was £59. I don't think I told you how much this black jumpsuit was. Let me just grab it and tell you how much it was. So this jumpsuit was £55. Okay, let's put it down. Back to this one. This was $59. Now I did try it on. This is supposed to be, I think, cropped, by the way, but this was full length, which is fine. I already knew that would happen. But when I tried this on, again, the material, it just doesn't feel very nice. And I feel like, again, it showed all the love handles and everything that I had, so I wasn't really pleased about it. So I kind of just I wore it and I was like, yeah, it's a no. You know when you put on an outfit and you already know it's a no? It was this one. So I was like, nah. So the last outfit, let me just show it to you. This one did not even make it onto my body because one, it was so tight, and this was, again, it's in a size 8 and it was £45. The model on here, she looks absolutely stunning in it, but when I wore it, no, it was just it was a little bit complicated. It does not look complicated, it looks nice. There was just not enough material to just cover me. That's one. Two, this gap here it was just not made for my belly. Not right now, maybe in 2 months time when I've gone running, but no. I mean, I bought it for the color because I thought this color could look quite nice. You know when you just think, oh, my Instagram photos would look so nice in this outfit. This was the biggest fail of my purchase, and I didn't even try it on, but I've just showed it to you guys to just, yeah, well, it didn't make it onto my body, it's made it into the video. Alright, these are all the items that I got, and if I was to pick one or maybe two, it may be the yellow jumpsuit or the black one. Those are the only two that I think I may have to rethink and, you know, retry on again and see. I hope you have enjoyed this video. All information about these items and the giveaway is going to be in the description bar down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, love.